Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be going out and starting the Nissan. I haven't started it for a little while, probably over a month at least. I don't think it's going to start. It was recently really cold here in Minnesota. It got below zero. It was probably 19 to 20 below for a couple days, if not even a little bit colder. So I'm going to go out there, see if I can get it started. If I can't, I'll probably jump start it, and we will see you guys there. As you guys can probably tell, we just got to the storage unit. I'm going to try and open it up, and then we'll see if the Nissan starts. Okay, you guys, so I just tried to unlock the car. Nothing's happening, so battery is dead in the Nissan, which is what I'm assuming is probably going on here. Like I said, it was really cold, below freezing multiple days, and this is the same battery I had in last year that died. I have a new battery at home that I'll be putting in this summer. So now the next step is to try and jump start it. I'll get everything hooked up and then I'll catch up with you guys. Okay, so I got some good news. I just tried to unlock it again and it did work. So now we'll see if it'll start. Highly doubt it'll start, but we'll see. Wipe my shoes off because they're all full of snow. Okay, let's see. Oh. Nope, so it almost turns over all the way. Okay. Well, I'm gonna hook up the cables and then I will get back to you guys. Okay, you guys, so I got it all hooked up now. For right now, I'm just letting it idle, just to let it charge a little bit. Then I'll rev the Mustang up a little bit, put some juice through it, and see if the Nissan will start. I'm guessing it shouldn't take too much because the Nissan almost turned over by itself, so let it idle for a little bit, and then I'll rev it up and give it some gas, and hopefully the Nissan will start. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a few revs and then see if the Nissan will start. Let's see if she'll start now. Cross our fingers. I think it'll start. I have faith. Don't want to track any of that snow into here. Try not to anyway. Okay, let's see. Okay, she started up. Not bad. It's really loud in here. Holy cow. shut off the Mustang now. Yeah, so that really wasn't too bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. Take off the cables. Don't let them touch or you're gonna get a big shock. Now we'll take off these cables. We are good to go. Put these back in the Mustang. If I can open the door one-handed here. Put those back in the trunk. Yeah, so that really wasn't too bad, guys. You know, last year when I came out here, the car didn't start, didn't turn over, nothing. We waited till summer to jump start it. I just wanted to give it a jump start now, so hopefully in the summer it'll just start right up. This went really good though. Like I said, first one in there, first it wouldn't unlock. I tried again, it unlocked, and then I tried to start, it would turn over, but it just wouldn't quite make it. Again, I just hooked up the cables, let it idle for a little bit, let the Mustang idle, charged it up a little bit, gave it a few revs, and then it started right up. I'll take off all these sheets now. I just had the sheets there so I wouldn't bang up the wrap with the cables. Yeah, I actually put these in the trunk too because they're all full of snow now. Quite nice out here today. It's about maybe 32, 33 degrees, which for us out here in Minnesota is pretty warm right now. So I'm gonna let it run for about probably about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll just shut it off, put everything back together, and I'll be headed out. Not bad. I will catch up with you guys once I get everything put back together. Okay, you guys, so the Nissan's been running for a little while now. I got everything put back together on the Mustang and on the Nissan. So I'm gonna shut it off and then I'll be on my way back home. I would say today was pretty successful when it comes to getting this thing started. Oh, put in first, turn my wheel a little bit, and we'll shut it off. Ooh, frost on the door there. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you guys next time.